Okay, BOC-3. It's another thing that people are getting taken advantage of online. People are charging $200 and $300. It only costs $30. It's a website that I've used before and successfully got my authority using this. It's called BOC3 processingagents.com. So let's go. Let's go to Google, type in BOC3 processingagents.com. And this is the website I used. It's going to ask you for your US DOT number. You have to type that in. You're going to put your email address in. And then normally your company will pop up. This is not my company that we're seeing on the screen, but I guess that's their DOT number. So that's what came up. You put in your address, your city, your state, your zip code. You check that box saying that your information is correct. And you got to put in the owner's full name and the phone number of the company. This is fictitious, but we're just putting it in so I can show you what happens next. You put in your card number, your name, the year of the card, your CVC number, and the billing address. And then after that, that's it. You see the total says $30 only. Why pay somebody $200 or $300 for that? I don't know. But we aren't going to do it.